Bundys Garage, Bundy here. Got an ink stain right here. Had a pen blow up on me inside this car. I'm going to try to get it out. What I'm going to try is this crocodile cloth power scrub. And if that doesn't work, I'm going to try the old O'Reilly fly swatter, the O'Reilly's brake parts cleaner. So these are like oversized like baby wipes. One side's smooth and one side's rough. And I actually spilled, or not spilled, but got ink on another part of the vehicle over on that side and actually clean it up. So let's see what happens here. I could make a huge mess, or this will actually work. This has been here probably for like 2 months. Not spreading it. Gonna dab it. I have to use multiple. Might have to use multiple rags here. Just dabbing it. Oh, does that look better or worse? That looks worse. Okay, now I'm gonna try some brake cleaner. Get a new towel here, 2 of them. Got the brake parts cleaner. I'm gonna spray it directly on here. Flip it over, get a clean side. Man. Looks better, but it's not perfect. Okay, so it's wet with brake parts cleaner. So let me let this thing dry. I'll bring you back in and show you what it looks like. See if we can get some more out. You can actually still see it a little bit right there. So let's take a look at it once it dries. It's the next day, fully dried. Doesn't look bad at all. Looks really, really good. Didn't even have to come in here with a second treatment. Just did a really good job of taking that stain out. Sweet. I'll put links down in the description below where you guys can buy that stuff on Amazon.